Magalit asawa. If I have chicks.
Galit asawa.
Yeah, magalit asawa. Maybe makita din sa camera si Mrs. Magalit si Mrs.
Oh my God. You said to your sawa.
Pasahero.
Oh, you said to her, you said to your sawa, darling, if we have make content, we can take money in dollars, so we can make extra money.
Yes.
She will accept.
I just say it's just content.
Oh. The joy riders in Bali, Indonesia, Thailand.
Vlogger.
They are taking tourists with them. Thailand like Bohol, Boracay.
Yeah, so many.
Yeah, that will be amazing because when you take a tourist, a foreigner,
Yes.
take.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, sir. Hindi ko siya kinakausap kasi mapapalaban ng English. Siya naman ang nagsalita. Naka-English na naman ng barok.